Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back for another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a short makeup video on the Koi palette. I wanted to bring you guys another look using the Koi palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look with the Viseart Coy, definitely stay tuned. Also, if you want to see more content from me, definitely hit that subscribe button. Be sure to click that notification bell and set your notification settings so you can get notified 4 times a week when I upload. And also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, taking the light blue shade in the Viseart Cool Mattes on my Wayne Goss number 3 and putting that in the transition area. And taking that all the way to the inner corner as well in the transition area. Okay. Then on my Wayne Goss number 4, I'm going into the dark blue and putting that right in the crease in the outer V. Okay, going with that same brush I used for the transition, the number 3, with no additional product, and blending. Next, on my MAC 242, I'm going into the Koi palette, into the blue shimmer shade. And I don't have any glitter glue down, and I just want to show you guys how you can pack this on with a brush. And I'm taking this all the way over, but leaving the inner corner empty. But to get it more impactful, I'm going to go with my finger and just go over that whole area to put more product. And even going over the blue, the matte blue a little bit. Okay, right, going into the lower left hand shade. It's an iridescent purple, but it looks white in the palette, and laying that with my finger on the inner corner. See how that looks purple, and I'm just running a little bit over top of the blue to make sure that's blended very well with that. Okay, so there we go with that. Next, I'm going in with the deep purple in the Koi palette, and then on top of this outer corner, not in the crease, but right on top of the blue, putting this on the outside. So I'm kind of making like a halo, but doing it in the reverse order with 2 different purple shades. And so whereas this inner shade is an iridescent purple, like in some lights it looks a little bit more pink, and then in some lights you can't really see the purple that much at all. This one is a deeper purple tone. I'm going back with the blending brush I used with the light blue, no additional product on it, and I'm just cleaning up this area. And with my number 4, I'm going into the dark purple in the Cool Mattes 2 palette, just a dab in there, and putting this right in the crease, basically pressing this into that crease to give it more depth and add a different type of look to the crease. And I feel like that really brings the look together better than only using the blues in the Cool Mattes palette. I'm taking the champagne shade in the palette, a number 7 brush, Wayne Goss, and just lightly placing that. And for the lower lash line, mid-tone purple in the Cool Mattes palette on my Wayne Goss number 4. And it's kind of mixing in with the blue, but that's okay. Wayne Goss number 8, which is like a flat liner brush or something like that. I'm going to take this into the dark purple shade and press this right across that lower lash line. Running that back and forth to make sure it's blended. I think that ties really nicely to the top Alright guys, here is the final look. Quite pretty, if I must say so myself. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this look using the Koi palette and the Cool Mattes 2 from Viseart. I wanted to definitely come back onto the channel and show you guys another way to use the Koi palette with the Cool Mattes palette, because I did allude to the fact that you could use the Cool Mattes with the Koi palette in my first video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup short, makeup quick minutes, makeup quickie. I don't know what I'm going to continue naming these. I'm not quite sure on the quickie one. I'm thinking about the makeup short or the makeup quick minute, something like that. But it's not a minute, so y'all let me know. What do you guys think sounds cool? I don't know. I'm thinking of makeup short. That sounds better. But anyways, you guys let me know, and definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and I will be talking to you guys really soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.